Welcome, entrepreneurs. Today, we explore a business model that redefines traditional commerce, selling digital products. This approach allows you to build a thriving business without the complexities of physical inventory. Digital products are intangible assets that can be stored, delivered, and used electronically. Think of them as intellectual property packaged for sale. They offer unparalleled advantages for modern business owners. The most significant benefit is the zero inventory model. You create a product once and sell it infinitely, eliminating storage, shipping, and manufacturing costs. This translates directly into higher profit margins and greater scalability. The world of digital products is vast and diverse. Your expertise and creativity are the only limits. Consider what knowledge or skills you possess that others would value. Ebooks and comprehensive guides are popular choices, offering in-depth information on specific topics. Online courses and workshops provide structured learning experiences, often including video lessons and interactive elements. Templates for documents, graphic design, or website themes save users time and effort. Software, mobile applications, and plugins cater to specific technical needs. You can also sell stock photos, video footage, or audio tracks to creators. Digital art, printables, and planners appeal to a broad consumer market. Finally, membership sites and subscription services offer recurring revenue for exclusive content. Embracing a zero inventory model offers numerous strategic advantages for entrepreneurs. It fundamentally changes how you operate and scale your business. Firstly, you eliminate all physical storage costs. There's no need for warehouses or inventory management systems. This significantly reduces your overhead. Secondly, shipping and logistics become non-existent. Digital delivery is instant and global, reaching customers anywhere with an internet connection. This removes a major operational hurdle. High profit margins are a hallmark of digital products. Once created, the cost to deliver each additional unit is virtually zero. This allows for substantial returns on your initial investment. The scalability is immense. You can serve thousands or millions of customers without increasing your production costs. Your business can grow exponentially without physical limitations. Automation potential is another key benefit. Sales, delivery, and even some customer support can be automated. This frees up your time to focus on creation and marketing. Finally, low startup costs make this model accessible to many. You primarily invest time and skill rather than large sums of capital for manufacturing or inventory. The journey begins with identifying your niche and leveraging your expertise. What problems can you solve for a specific audience? Your product should offer a clear solution or valuable insight. Thorough market research helps validate your idea. Understand your target audience's needs, pain points, and existing solutions. This ensures your product has demand. Content creation tools vary depending on your product type. Use reliable software for writing, design, video editing, or coding. Focus on delivering high-quality, valuable content. Quality control is paramount. Test your product thoroughly before launch. Ensure it functions correctly, is easy to use, and meets the promised value. Consider legal aspects like copyright and terms of service. Protect your intellectual property and clearly define usage rights for your customers. This safeguards your business. Once your product is ready, you need a system to sell it. This involves setting up an effective sales funnel. Choose a suitable platform for hosting and selling your digital products. Options include dedicated platforms like Gumroad, Teachable, or Kajabi, or e-commerce solutions like Shopify with digital download apps. Integrate a reliable payment processing system. Stripe, PayPal, or other regional gateways ensure secure transactions. Make the purchase process smooth and trustworthy. Create compelling landing pages that clearly articulate your product's value. Use persuasive sales copy and strong calls to action. Highlight the benefits your product offers. Email marketing is crucial for nurturing leads and announcing new products. Build an email list and use automated sequences to engage potential customers. Provide value in every email. Finally, Ensure automated delivery of your product upon purchase. This provides an instant gratification experience for your customers and reduces your manual workload. Even the best digital product needs effective marketing to reach its audience. Develop a comprehensive strategy to generate visibility and drive sales. Content marketing is a powerful tool. Create valuable blog posts, videos, or podcasts related to your product's topic. This establishes your authority and attracts organic traffic. Engage actively on social media platforms where your target audience spends time. Share insights, interact with followers, and promote your product subtly. Build a community around your brand. Consider paid advertising on platforms like Google or social media. Targeted ads can quickly reach a specific demographic. Start with a small budget and optimize your campaigns. Affiliate programs can expand your reach by leveraging other people's audiences. Offer a commission to partners who successfully promote your product. This is a performance-based marketing strategy. Optimize your website and product listings for search engines. Use relevant keywords to improve your visibility in search results. This drives organic traffic over time. Determining the right price for your digital product is critical for profitability and market positioning. Your pricing strategy should reflect your product's value and market demand. Value-based pricing focuses on the perceived value your product offers to the customer. How much is solving their problem or providing this knowledge worth to them? This often allows for higher prices. Consider tiered pricing models, offering different versions of your product at various price points. This caters to different customer segments and budgets. For example, a basic, standard, and premium package. Subscription models provide recurring revenue, ideal for ongoing content or services. This creates predictable income streams. Ensure you consistently deliver new value to subscribers. Conduct competitive analysis to understand what similar products are priced at. This helps you position your product effectively within the market. Don't just match prices, understand the value proposition. Offering bundles of related products can increase average order value. Customers often perceive greater value when purchasing multiple items together at a slight discount. The zero inventory model inherently supports scaling your business. Once established, focus on strategies for continuous growth and expansion. Continuously create new digital products that complement your existing offerings. This expands your product ecosystem and caters to evolving customer needs. Diversify your revenue streams. Regularly update and improve your existing products. Keep content fresh, relevant, and valuable. This enhances customer satisfaction and encourages repeat purchases. Explore new markets or demographics for your products. Can your content be translated or adapted for a different audience? This opens up new revenue opportunities. Automate customer support where possible, using FAQs, chatbots, or help documentation. This allows you to handle a larger customer base efficiently. Focus on providing excellent service. Leverage data analytics to understand customer behavior and product performance. Use these insights to refine your marketing, product development, and pricing strategies. Data-driven decisions lead to better outcomes. Selling digital products with zero inventory offers an incredible opportunity for entrepreneurs. It's a business model characterized by high margins, global reach, and immense scalability. You can transform your knowledge and skills into valuable assets that generate passive income. This approach minimizes risk and maximizes potential. Embrace the freedom and flexibility that digital products provide. Start creating, start selling, and build the business you've always envisioned. The digital world awaits your innovation.